Blessed Sabbath to everyone. Today, August 20, 2022, we are here at San Jose Barangay Combot Seventh-day Adventist Church to attend the Carabao Island Seventh-day Adventist Fellowship, also known as SISTA. A number of 119 brethren gathered together and celebrate this another fellowship that was held in this place. The district invited Romblon Mission Seventh-day Adventist Ministerial Secretary and Youth Director Pastor Vladimir Tugade to be the guest speaker who will share the words of our Lord and inspire each and everyone through the messages given to us.
Sabbath, isa pong malaking pagpapala to be part of the fellowship here in Carabao Island. Isa sa mga in-emphasize po natin ngayon ay ang involvement ng family to be part of the I Will Go. Nakasama po ang mga parents to do their task in leading their children to that heavenly home. At nawa ang mga brethren ay mag-respond to the call of I Will Go. Kahit sa ating mga care group, sila po ay makabahagi ng mga blessings at mga mensahe mapatungkol po sa kaligtasan. Once again, happy Sabbath.
Mapagpalang araw ng Sabat sa ating lahat. Isang malagang pagkakataon na ipunin ang ating mga kapatid, isang malagang pagbabahagi sa gawain ng Panginoon sa bawat buwan ay ginagawa ng Humble District ang fellowship sa bawat third Sabat ng buwan para may palago ang ugnayan ng ating mga kapatid dito sa bawat iglesia. Mayroon po tayong 6 na iglesia sa loob ng distrito ng Humble District. At napakalaga na sila po ay nakapagdalo at nakapagbahagi ng kanilang mga tulong para palaguin at may panukala ang plano ng Panginoon tungkol sa kaligtasan ng bawat mananampalataya.
The sons and daughters of God are grateful for another successful fellowship and are looking forward for more revival and better growth of the beloved churches of Carabao Island. Truly, it is a well-spent Sabbath day, everyone. This is Nika Pablo from Humble District, reporting for Romblon Adventist News. God bless.